Hello, good morning, fam. Welcome to today's on 14th July. That's on Tuesday. Welcome to Pre-London Breakdown. So this will be my breakdown. Since we had a general breakdown on Sunday, so into the week. Monday I played yesterday quite well. So now this is what I'm expecting today. Also, we have CPI today. We have some major news coming up today during New York. So yeah, into all of that, I'm expecting. What am I expecting? We have a CPI. The core CPI is at 15:39, 3:30 East African time. So yeah, what am I expecting into the CPI? So starting on GBP USD on daily time frame, you can see internal is still bearish. Internal has pulled back, tapping into this zone of supply, and now we are starting to have a rejection. So greater move, expecting sales from this zone, continuing to target now the week internal. That's like very obvious. So you can see the 4H swing is still bearish, internal has been bullish. This was my last break of internal structure. This was a sweep of liquidity, break of structure, tap into extreme, taking out this liquidity above those highs. Then immediately some aggressive momentum kicked in, giving us now a change of character. So yeah, that's a 4H change of character. Price reaction from this zone, but yeah, I'm watching this zone of supply as a high probability area. So into today, I'm interested in sales, more sales. I want to sell GU, EU, and gold. Yeah, so I'm interested in sell. So yeah, watching this zone, this to be a reaction point, coming back into this zone, then yeah, internal to shift now bearish, and now to target the weak swing. So that's what I'm expecting. So coming on to M15, you can see yesterday price action was quite very bearish. Yeah, no clear zone that has not yet been mitigated inside this 4H zone. So expecting that zone to fail. So let's see. So on M15, we might refine that 4H zone into now this area here. So that's now my M15 area where I'm interested, but of course won't be trading it directly. I want to see now the pullback into now the zone, then now the swing now to shift align with now the bigger picture. So yeah, expecting that. So we might see some consolidation into now London. You see maybe price pushing up to that zone, then yeah, London might give us now the trade to enter and hold through to New York, waiting for now CPI, targeting all of these. You can see all of this sell side liquidity down here. So this is now that low, the 4H low, the weak swing low now to target. So all of that is there. So coming also on EU, if we start from now the daily time frame, let's see. So you can see this demand zone is completely still holding price. Sorry, supply zone is completely still holding price. This demand zone gave us some reaction to the upside, failed to break past that zone. So yeah, so very clear to see that supply is taking control. We are coming off this supply. We reacted from this demand, gave us that reaction. Price came later, sweeping those low, yet went nowhere. So you can see that push to the upside, mitigation of some supply, then aggressive push to the downside. So yeah, obvious target is now to look for price to take out now the 4H week swing. So that's like the obvious target. So on M15, price action very bearish. So yeah, we'll be waiting for now pullback into the middle of this internal range. Let's see. So at least around that zone, then wait for PA to build something clear that we might work with. So this is the area of interest. It's above the EQ of the range. Well priced, but yeah, it doesn't mean that price has to pull back specifically into that zone. That's just a zone of interest. So price might pull back just into this area, sweeping liquidity. Targeting now that week 4H low. So that's what I'm expecting there. So coming again into now gold. So gold price is currently reacting from this 4H demand zone here. Sorry, daily demand zone, but also coming from daily supply zone. So comparing the momentum, the yesterday momentum, I'm expecting the demand zone to be violated. You can see I've mapped it as liquidity lying below there. So this was now the internal structure, internal breakout structure. We had that pullback mitigation of supply. The general picture is now for another internal breakout structure to happen. So that's why I'm expecting that. So adjusted my 4H swing to this current PA here. We had that pullback give us a choke, so the moment we break past that low, I adjusted that as my internal structure. So this being my 4H internal and this being my 4H no, I'm expecting price to pull back around this zone. So that's where now I want to get involved. The zone is not so clear, but you can see that this zone here is a 4H zone that I'm interested in. So let's see on 4H on M15 if it's very clear. So I want to see price pulling back into this area of supply. It's aligning very well on M15. You can see internal order flow very bearish. We managed to catch sales around these zones here yesterday and also this zone, targeting just this immediate Asian low, but this was the main target as I had mentioned in the morning. So if you held them there, I managed to secure 11 hour, but yeah, to this low. We'll check how many RR was that. Sorry. So this is now the area. This one now I'm interested. This is the 15 zone embedded inside the 4th zone. I don't want to take sales directly from there. I want to see with this momentum, I want to see price pulling back into that zone. Then this sell side liquidity there. I usually map my liquidity of the day to target. So with the CPI, I want to take sales there, targeting this. I want the entry to be presented before the news. So that's all. Yeah, you guys stay safe. Watch your capital. Don't over risk into the news. If you don't trade news, don't trade the news. Don't break your rules because of some news or some guide that you saw online. So yeah, just follow your news. Follow your rules and protect your capital. Capital protection is the key. Just protect your capital. Live to trade another day. So yeah, see you into the session. Setups will be shared in Telegram. So yeah, see you there. Bye bye.